This video is to show you kind of how to use your operations, your addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. And if you are typing it, so either on a computer, keyboard, on your phone, on an iPad, you can just type in whatever you need. 5 plus 3, 8 divided by 4. Now notice I'm typing on my keyboard right now. When I type 8 divided by 4 and using the backslash or the forward slash, I'm not sure which one it is, but when you use that, it becomes a fraction bar. So if you're looking to simplify something, you can put it in the fraction bar. However, it will give you this answer in a decimal. In order to convert it to a decimal or to a fraction, you will need to do that part by hand or go back to your TI-84. So I'm going to continue typing. If you need a negative number, on Desmos there's no difference between the negative and subtraction symbol. So if I want -2 minus 5, I just type the, or hit the negative, I hit the subtraction sign as if it were a negative. You can also use the buttons in the keypad, so if it wasn't up before, open it and do whatever it is you need to do, whatever operation you need to do. When you click this division sign, it also gives you the fraction bar, but it still won't simplify it into fraction form. So if I change this around and say 2 divided by 6, I meant to be using this, it's still going to give you that decimal form. So just keep that in mind. And you can either click on the next line, or you can, on your keypad, your phone, your iPad, your computer, you can press the down arrow and you can go to the next one as well. The last way I'm going to show you how to multiply is, notice that I was pressing the star on my keyboard or using this multiplication sign, but you can also use your parentheses as well. Oops. By either typing them or using these parentheses in your keypad or the online keyboard. And it still works as multiplication.